Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with InVision prototyping tool. Review my usage experience. InVision prototyping tool. Review my usage experience offers a platform for creating and sharing interactive prototypes for websites and apps. It's aimed at designers, developers, and product managers who need a collaborative tool to visualize and test their designs before development. Key features include screen prototyping, user flow design, and collaboration tools. Their website provides details on various pricing plans. InVision emphasizes ease of use and a collaborative workflow. They highlight features like real-time collaboration and version control. The platform boasts a robust feature set, allowing for high-fidelity prototypes, but it's also designed to be accessible to users with varying levels of design experience. Availability is worldwide. You can check their website for specific details. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using InVision. Getting started was surprisingly smooth. The onboarding process was intuitive, guiding me through the creation of my first prototype with helpful tutorials. Navigating the interface was also straightforward. I quickly learned to drag and drop elements, create interactive links between screens, and add animations. I was particularly impressed by the ease of incorporating user feedback. The commenting features were incredibly useful for collaboration with my team. The performance was excellent. The platform responded quickly and reliably, even when working with complex prototypes. I had a quick question about integrating with our existing design system, and their support responded within a day via email. Very helpful. One minor drawback was the learning curve for some of the more advanced animation features. It took me a little while to master those. The standout feature for me was definitely the real-time collaboration. Seeing my colleagues' edits and comments appear instantaneously was a game changer. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with InVision. It's a powerful tool that significantly streamlined our design process. That's my overview of InVision prototyping tool. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.